This is a tutorial on how to add a new user. Let's say your facility just hired a new HVAC technician named Mike Wallace that will be working nights, and you need to create a user record for him in Sprocket. To add him to the system, navigate Administration, then Work Management, then People. The People screen shows all the user records that you currently have in Sprocket. To create a new person record, click the New Person button at the top left of your screen. Here a form will appear and you can begin filling out his information. First, start by giving him a username. In this case, it will be his first initial and his last name. In the title, since he's a technician, we'll just call him Technician. And then, of course, his first and last name will go in the appropriate fields. If applicable, go ahead and add his email address and address information as well. Once you have completed the desired fields, click the Save button in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Now the record has been created and you can finish the rest of the information. Now, navigate to the Employee tab. Make sure that he is checked as active and checked as an employee as well. Down below, you can add a supervisor to his record, enter an hourly wage, and even enter his birthday just in case you want to buy him a cake. Once you have entered all the desired information on this tab, go ahead and click Save again in the upper right-hand corner. Now navigate to the Groups tab. On the Groups tab, we need to add him to the appropriate group. Since he is a technician, we will add him to the Technicians group. So go ahead and highlight Default User and click Remove at the bottom. Next, in the Group field above, type in the word Tech. Notice that the group name Technician appears. Go ahead and select it, and then click Add to the right. Now we have successfully added him to the Technicians group. Next, if applicable, go to the Dispatch tab. Here we can set up dispatching options such as adding him to a shop or craft. Since he is working in HVAC, let's add him to the HVAC shop. When the name appears, just select it and click Add. Now we have successfully added Mike to the HVAC group. Notice there are other dispatching options such as crafts, locations, and account codes that you can add to his user record. Once completed, click Save. Not all facilities use dispatching, so skip this step if Dispatch tab is not visible. Next, if applicable, we can set him up with a schedule. Go ahead and click the Schedule tab. Mike will be working the graveyard shift, so in the Shift ID field in the center of the page, go ahead and select the graveyard shift. Again, scheduling and shifts are also optional, so if you do not use shifts in Sprocket, skip this tab. Finally, let's give Mike a password. On the Additional tab, notice the first two fields are password fields. Go ahead and type in what you want his password to be and then confirm it in the field below. Notice in the fields below you can set up a challenge question and answer in case he ever forgets his password, and you can also set it to change or expire when you want it to. Once you've completed all the information, go ahead and click Save and Exit, and Mike is ready to log in and start getting work orders. If you ever have questions on adding a user, feel free to contact tech support through email or phone at 866-891-4363, extension 1. Thank you.